Hello guys, welcome to NoorulRiazi and this is your mathematics teacher NOOR UDDIN QURESHI. And today we will learn the shortcut for the multiplication of the numbers with a series of ones only. That means multiplication of 11, 111, 1111 and so on. So let's start with our first example. So in our first example we have to multiply 132 with two ones, that means 11. So if we try to multiply them through our manual calculation, so 132 multiplied by 11. So this will be multiplied in two steps. 1 into 132 is 132. Then with a one digit gap, again 132. So adding both the rows, so we will get 1452. But what if we try to solve it through our shortcut? But before the shortcut, we have to consider the number of digits for the steps that we would be following to process our shortcut. So let m be the number of digits in the other number that has to be multiplied with 11 or 111, and n be the number of ones in the number with a series of 1. So in this example, we have m equals to 3 and n equals to 2. We would be using the value of m and n in our shortcut. So this is the number that has to be multiplied with 11. So according to the first step, we have to put n minus 1 zeros on the left and the right of the number. So we have the value of n equals to 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So we have to put 1 0 on the left and 1 0 on the right of the number. So we will put like this. So the number becomes 01320. Now, according to the second step, we have to create n plus m minus 1 empty slots. That means 3 plus 2 minus 1, that is 4. So we have to create 4 empty slots below the number. Now, according to this third step, we have to add n number of digits from the right and put the sum in each of the empty slots. What does it mean? So here n is 2, so we have to add every two numbers from the right and we have to put the sum in the empty slots below. So the first two numbers from the right is 2 and 0. The sum of 2 and 0, which is 2, we will put it in the first slot. And the second pair is 3 and 2. 5 we will put in the second slot. And then we have 1 and 3. The sum of 1 and 3 is 4. Put it in the next empty slot. And then the last pair, which is 0 and 1, their sum is 1. We will put in the empty slots below them. So 1 here. So now as you can see that 1452 is the same number that we have got through the manual calculation. Now let's try to solve another example so that we can have a better grip on our shortcut. So this time we will be multiplying our number with three ones, that means 101. So our second example is 244 multiplied by 111. So if we try to solve them manually, so 244 will be multiplied by 11. So the multiplication will go on in three steps. First of all, one would be multiplied by 244. We will write 244. Then again, we will write 244 with one digit gap. Then 244 with a two digit gap. And then we will add all three rows. Then we will got 2784. But what if we try to solve our example through shortcut? So we will keep all the steps on the screen because we are revising these steps in this example. So again, there are n and m. So we have to see what are n and m here. So let's recap. So m was the number of digits in the other number and n was the number of ones. So in this example, we have m equals to 3 and n is also equal to 3. So 244 is the number, and according to the first step, we have to put n minus 1, that means 3 minus 1, that is equals to 2. So we have to put two zeros on the left and on the right of the number. So we will put two zeros like this. So our number has become 0024400. Now according to the second step, we have to create n plus m minus 1 empty slots. So n plus m, that means 3 plus 3 is 6 and minus 1, that is 5. We have to put 5 empty slots below the number. Now according to the third step, we have to add every n number of digits from right. So here n is 3, so we will add every 3 digits from right and we will put the sum in the empty slots. So the first three digits here are 400. So we will write the sum here. So the sum of 40 and 0 is 4. We will write in the first slot. Now the second group of three numbers is 440. Their sum is 8. We will put 8 in the second slot. Now the third set is 244. Their sum is 10. Now guys, you have to remember that this slot was only for a one digit number, but since we have got a two digit number, so we will write 0 and put a carry here. Now the sum of next set of three numbers, so we have 0 to 4, but one was already carried, so we will also add it to them. So 1 to 4, the sum would be 7. So we will write 7. Now the last set of three numbers, that is 002, their sum is 2. We will write it in the last empty slot. So now as you can see that 2784 is the same answer that we have got through the manual calculation, and this time you witness that in our manual calculation the time keeps increasing with the number of ones in the number. So this was our shortcut for the multiplication of numbers with a series of 1, that means 11, 111 or 1111 and so on. I hope you liked our shortcut. If yes, then do like our video, comment and share this video as much as possible. And if you like the concept of NoorulRiazi, then do subscribe our channel and follow our Instagram page with the same handle. So see you guys in the next video.